My name is Fred Brodigan, and I live in Hilton, New York. I'm originally from Connecticut.
My name is Ira Starks, and I'm from Rochester, New York, born and raised here.
My name's Ashley Lasher, and I'm from Penn, New York.
Well, I got into the clinical trials by hearing on radio and on television during COVID that they were looking for people to participate in the study for the COVID vaccine. And I did come in and applied for that. And although I didn't get chosen for the COVID trial, I did participate in an RSV study.
My son has Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is a genetic disease that is a slow, progressive disease that it's like muscle wasting. So any kind of muscle that is damaged or needs to regenerate in any way is replaced with scar tissue. I had been staying up to date on checking clinicaltrials.gov, but then the doctor at the Neuromuscular Disease Center had contacted me asking if I still had interest in a trial similar, and of course I did. The goal of the trial is to slow the progression of the disease. For us, it was a no-brainer to say yes and enroll him.
I was at the dentist. The dentist noticed that extraction area that was left did not heal properly. So I was sent from the dentist to an ear, nose, and throat doctor and was diagnosed with cancer, lymphoma cancer. We talked about the addition of participating in a clinical trial. Dr. Barr and I focused on how my participation could help benefit my recovery and prevent the cancer from returning. And it was clear that not only could this help me, the data that could be collected and information provided can surely most likely help someone else.
When I first come in for the trials, I wasn't quite sure what to expect. And, there is a possibility, I guess, that you might be concerned over the safety of the trials. They were very clear about all of, everything that was going to be done, explained everything thoroughly. There was never a question in my mind about, what was going to happen. I had to do a weekly check-in on my cell phone, on an app that was I could download to my cell phone, and I just weekly checked in to report if I had any symptoms or not had symptoms.
Because I'm a nurse, I had seen how the benefits outweighed the risks and good patient experiences in the past that I had got to witness. So having my child enrolled in a trial, I was confident in doing so. After we enrolled for the trial was set up into 2 phases. It was an infusion last year and then a second infusion this year. After the initial infusion, they are followed every week. We have to come up here weekly for weekly follow-ups. They'll be able to see improvements over the course of the next couple of years to kind of see, if the therapy drug worked and how it helped improve him. The clinical research team was really great about accommodating our needs and, making accommodations. If we had appointments like 2 or 3 days in a row, they would set up, give us hotel accommodations and reimburse the mileage too. So that was a plus.
So at each appointment, I would go to give blood for the labs, and the clinical coordinator for the clinical trial would be there to meet me with my next dosage and the schedule for when to take them. At each appointment, there's a series of questions that you're asked on how you're doing, what's going on with you, and the sincerity that which those questions were asked of me. You can feel that there was concern about me as a person, not just another patient.
For other people that might be considering doing something like this, I implore them to do it because it certainly is rewarding. You feel good that you've done something that can help others, and that's kind of what it's all about. It was easy to participate in. They made everything very, very easy, and it was a rewarding experience. I really feel glad that I did it, and I'm looking forward to doing another.
My experience with the clinical trial was seamless. I feel strongly that the clinical trial is the reason why I'm at this point in time cancer-free.
If I had a message for anyone, I would say that clinical trials offer hope.